Big up Pat Batham Kitchen.
Pat Batham. Well, good morning to you, Pat Batham Kitchen family. And today, is all 4 seasons we do in Jamaica, right? We all know that we do all 4 seasons, and we got to gravitate on whatever fruits and vegetables we have around us, yeah? We got to make use of it. We got to take the full potential out of the fruit and vegetables and all of that we have in Jamaica, right? Yeah? So here we go. Today we have avocado, okay? In Jamaica we call it pear, okay? So this is what in Pat Batham Kitchen we create for you today. Now we create guacamole. Yes? Guacamole is well known as a Mexican thing, and it's a Mexican dip, so to speak. It's a spread like how we use mayonnaise and we use ketchup and all that. In Mexico they use guacamole. Yes, guacamole is made from avocado, and in Jamaica you know that's what we have. We have a lot of pears, we have black pear, long pear, short pear, agriculture pear, dry pear, thin skin pear. And here we go inside Pat Batham Kitchen. We create a dish, a Mexican dish, avocado, straight from the kitchen. This is what I do, yes. And I tell you, every season we take something from that season and we put it together and ensure that we have food to eat. So here we have at Pat Batham Kitchen we make flatbread. We make our own flatbread. Okay, these flatbread are made from flour, yes, and we got to make it Jamaican style, as we say. Flour, cornmeal, yes, and we have coconut milk and coconut, the kernel of the coconut, which we call the trash. Okay, that's the kernel of the coconut, everything mixed and combined with salt and the Pat Batham touches. Yeah, you got to get into Pat Batham Kitchen if you know what's going on with the Pat Batham touches. Pat Batham seasoning. Okay, and we enhance it with the Pat Batham seasoning, and here we have it. So if you have the kids at home and you ain't got nothing to give them, like you say, okay, I don't have the money, but me have 2 avocado, we have a pound of flour, little cornmeal. Here we go, beautiful dish. Flatbread, very easy. It's like tortilla, yeah, but in Jamaica we're going to say flatbread. Okay, so we have flatbread, and you dip it inside the guacamole. Yes, guacamole is made from created from a variety of stuff, and we have to give the Jamaican twist on it. Okay, but we can't lose the flavor of the guacamole. You got to know that it's guacamole. Okay, so we have to have your lemon juice inside. You have to have your fresh tomato finely chopped. Yes, you have to have your onion finely chopped. Or if you want to juice the onion and take out that from it, yes, it's all good. Use the onion juice. You put in your salt and pepper, and you have guacamole. Yes, some people like their guacamole spicy. Some people like it mild. Some people like it sweet. Whatever you choose, all up to you. And you know what you can do? You can tap a little vinegar just to get that kick. Yes, that vibrantness. Enhance the citrus that you put inside. Drop a little vinegar, and you're good. So we have guacamole for the family and friends. Inside the summer, you have a little table, round table. We have guacamole in the middle. You come with your finger food, we call it. No, we don't do finger food no more because of COVID time. Everybody have to use a knife and fork or whatever. But just like they share a little plate here, you can come, dish out your little dish, your little plate, little service plate, cocktail plate, and have yourself sorted. Yeah? And you have a beer with that. Red Stripe beer. In Mexico they do Corona, but in Jamaica we do Red Stripe beer. Yes, one well-known Jamaican beer, Red Stripe beer with guacamole dip and flatbread. Amazing, I tell you. It's crazy and it's nice. And where you find this? Nowhere else but inside Pat Batham Kitchen. Listen, I tell you, you gotta like and subscribe this. If you want to feel it, you gotta touch it, right? You gotta touch it, and you gotta touch that button. And shout out Pat Batham Kitchen. Left your comment down there, and we will, get back to you and let's hear what you gotta say put into this dish here. Pat Batham style guacamole. Okay, you have your flatbread. Well, naturally use chips. That's what they do in Mexico. or I'll go in American all that. But we use our flatbread Jamaican style. We have to change it up. We can't just take everything. No, we don't work like that inside Pat Bottom Kitchen, because we have all the ingredients and all the names and all the creativity around this part of the world, Jamaican style. And we say Pat Bottom Kitchen. And guys, have a great summer. Enjoy the winter. And you know what happened? We look forward to the autumn. Yes? And the spring. So have fun. Take care of yourself. Be good. Be safe. And Pat Bottom Kitchen will be by your doorstep whenever you call his name. Alright? Pat Bottom Kitchen. Take it to them. Guacamole. Here we go. Enjoy. Have fun. Bye for now. Ciao, ciao. Well, well, well. As we always said, welcome to Pat Bottom Kitchen for the umpteenth time again. And you may wonder what we have here this morning. We say Jamaican people, we do things from the scratch, and we do things from foundation, and we have everything, but just we get involved and try to figure out where they are and how we prepare them. Okay, here we go. Right here, you may wonder, what is this? Yeah, looking gross, right? Yes, but this is avocado. I'm going to repeat, avocado seed. Been grated, and we're going to put it in the sun to get it dry. Avocado seed is a good source of antioxidant, naturally. Yes, and I won't tell you anymore. Take up the thing and go research the thing and figure it out. Alright, this we're going to use and make tea. If you want to make iced tea, if you want to make hot tea, whatever, milk, whatever, this goes with all of the everything that you're going to add to your morning tea. Yes? So this is avocado right here, and that's what we do in Pat Bottom Kitchen. We take things from the scratch, and we take things, original things, and we take things that you don't normally think of, but this is what we do at Pat Bottom Kitchen. Pat Bottom Kitchen, we have avocado seed, and you know what happened now. You make your iced tea, you put a different flavor with it, and it have a unique flavor, this thing here, unique flavor, and when you put it in the pot and you draw, we say in Jamaica we draw some tea, yes, yes, we get it boiled, yes, give you a unique flavor, and it's going to be red, like lagwood, just like lagwood. When you boil lagwood, that's the color it gives off, yeah, it's going to be very red and rich, okay, and then you can add all your cinnamon, your pimento, whatever you want to add to it to get yourself a comfortable drink without all the acid, okay. Okay, so this is the antioxidant you're going to get from this. What we're going to do, we're going to put this in the sun to get it dry, because if you put it up like this, grate it and put it up like this, it's going to mold, right? So you don't want it to be mold. So what you do, you put it in the sun, you get it dry, you put it in your respective package and put it away. Whatever you have to put it in, you put it away. And you have tea every morning you wake up. Yes? You have your avocado tea. Not only the avocado you're going to eat, the pear we call it. You have the seed, we throw away the seed all the time. But as we said, Pat Bottom Kitchen, come to teach the younger generation what's going on. Alright, so this you can put your piment, your cinnamon leaf, your nutmeg, whatever you have. You add to it just to make a cup of tea. Alright, and you put it on the stove, let it boil, you cover it down for 10-15 minutes or 5 minutes, and you're ready to go. Alright, so here we go. Yep, as we said, we have some right here, over here on the stove. Yes, that's where we have some taken care of. This one we have star anise inside this one, and cinnamon leaf. Alright, we're going to come to a boil, we cover it down and let it stay. Get it cool down. You can put it in the fridge. If you want to drink hot tea, cup of hot tea, here you go. Alright, but you can have iced tea like this. Okay, you have iced tea, very good. Yes, if you want to put sugar, you can put it, go natural like this, clearly natural. You have a cup of iced tea, keep it refreshing. You can have lemon to it. Yes, you can have a little lemon, get the citrus flavor out, yes, and all of that. So here we go, Pat Bottom Kitchen. Again, we tell you we have it from scratch. Alright, so as we say, That's what we do at Pat Bottom Kitchen. And if you like it, you got to touch that button, guys. Avocado seed or pear seed. You get them before they're dry. You grate them. When it's dry, it's very hard. Yes, you don't want to keep it until it's dry to get it grate. You grate it, you put it in the sun, you dry, you put them in the respective package, put them away, and you're good. Alright? Say you get it at Pat Bottom Kitchen, and here we go. Do some research on it, guys. Just put in avocado seed and all the health benefits it have for you guys, okay? Pat Bottom Kitchen. Take it to them again. If you like it, you gotta touch that button. Yes, anything you like, anything you want to feel, you just gotta touch it. Alright? So we will be by your doorstep in a minute the moment you do that, okay? And you know what? Take care of yourself. Have a blessed day. And as we say, keep safe, stay safe. But if you do this, you're the safest one on earth, I tell you. If you do all these natural stuff, natural food, there you go. You're the safest one on earth, I can tell you. Alright? So be cool, be safe, take care of yourself, and one out. The Almighty bless you and guide you. Yes. One out. Okay, boys and girls, as we approach the afternoon or the evening session inside Pat Bottom Kitchen. Okay, today we're making an all-in-one. Okay, this afternoon, besides they have something to eat, so we're going to make an all-in-one. Yeah, and this is all about coconut milk. Yes, so we have the coconut milk right here, and when we say we try to create Jamaican fast food, all-in-one can make it in 20 minutes, guys. It's just how you prepare it and how you go about it. Alright, so this is all-in-one musa with fish. Yeah, this musa with fish. Yes, Dr. Fish. Yes, musa with Dr. Fish right here. Okay, so we do chop up the Dr. Fish and we don't put them in oil, we chop them up, okay? Yes, and we have coconut milk or pumpkin, dumpling. Yes, we call it spinach in Jamaica in a food pattern, we call it some spinach. Okay, yes. So that's how it is inside Pat Bottom Kitchen at this moment. Okay, we have one more thing to go in the pot. Yes, and we'll get it to you in just a minute. Yes, we are going to the fridge and we're going to take out the thing, vegetable. Okay, we have vegetable. And we'll get you guys some vegetable inside this. So at the moment we have some spinach. Okay, so we're going to put spinach inside. Naturally we put callaloo or dashing leaf, I think we call it Indian scale. But now we have spinach. So we're going to put some spinach inside it. I think we're going to get it chopped. Yes. We're going to get it chopped a little bit. Yeah, on the cutting board. Yeah. And what we're going to do, we're going to put this inside there. Musa. Okay, I'm going to leave some spinach because tomorrow morning we're going to make some juice. So we want a couple of leaves of spinach. Anyway, I'm not going to use all this. I think I have spinach outside. So I'm going to put all of this inside the musa. When the musa almost finished, based on spinach, yes, we're going to put it late. Okay, if you have Indian scale or if you have dashing art, yes, we're going to put that early because that gives you a distinguished flavor to the musa what you're going to make. Alright, so when you come on cooking, as we said, the food already prepared and make already. So we don't have to go all the way to show you how you make dumpling, no. We don't have to go all the way to show you grate a coconut, no. Yes, we don't have to go all the way that. One of the unique thing what we do, the Dr. Fish them what we do, we put them in the pan, we chop them up, put them in the pot, or we saute them with onion and scallion and thyme. Yes, so that's one of the unique thing. Saute them, yeah. Onion, scallion and thyme. Yes. And after we do that, then we add our coconut milk on top of the fish with the onion, scallion and thyme and garlic. Yes. Yes. And then we start add the vegetables. The vegetables get a little color from it, the pumpkin. Yes. Put the pumpkin and you know we're good. And we get it to a boil. Then we start add our spinach, and then we put our spinach. Funny, alright? Yeah man, and that's how we have it inside Pat Batam Kitchen. Can't go wrong inside Pat Batam Kitchen. Then you have your musa, 20 minutes musa. Quick and easy. And you wonder, and it's a real Jamaican food right here. Yes, 20 minutes musa, ready to go. Coconut milk, cooked. But the reason why I'm telling you this coconut milk, you wonder how it cook. Was that different type of, we use a certain coconut to do this. Yeah, we have one coconut that we use. You gotta get yourself inside Pat Batam Kitchen. Pat Batam will show you the whole detail. All details of everything set up. The moment you get involved in Pat Batam Kitchen, you learn all these type of things. Okay, so here we go, Pat Batam Kitchen. Take it to them again. Alright, this is musa in 20 minutes, guys. 20 minutes musa, ready to serve. No doubt. I can guarantee you, you will enjoy. Okay? Let's eat from you. I know you're going to love it. Yep. I'm going to dish out a plate. Make you see exactly what we're talking about. This ain't no joke. Okay? This is what it looks like. 20 minutes musa. No more than 20 minutes. We have a solid plate of musa right here. Look at it. Looking good. Okay, so if you want to feel it, you got to touch it. Pat Batam Kitchen. Yeah, anything you want to feel, you just got to touch. And here we go, the beauty of Jamaican food. Musa. Okay, in 20 minutes. I'll talk to you soon. Heal us up on the site and see what's going on, alright? One love. You take care of yourself. Blessed. Good evening, Pat Batam Kitchen fans. Yes, another day, another big day have passed by, you know, and today inside the kitchen, you know, we have something special again. Yeah, it looked like roti, but this is a herb flatbread. This is flatbread only with herbs. Yes, this is what it looks like. Flatbread, herbs. Yes, all the green herbs we have around the garden, so we make flatbread with all that. So here we go. As we say, we do things from scratch inside Pat Batam Kitchen, and whenever we decide to do something, we do it original. So we have some flatbread that we slice up. Yes, and it's made from. I was going to give you the ingredients, yeah, to go about checking it out. Okay, so we got a little flour, cornmeal, oatmeal. Flour, cornmeal, oatmeal. Okay, that's a combination of wheat and grains we have there. Okay, so here we go now. Then we have all herbs. Onion scallion, scallion, you know, may have to have my beef mint inside. Beef thyme, what you want to call it, inside that thyme, you know, Pat Batam seasoning, yeah, one scotch bonnet pepper inside. It's chopped very fine. They're going to give you a spicy box, a spicy flavor, okay? So from there we've been doing flatbread, and we have it in all different form and size and looks and all that. So this is one of the things that we are doing today, and we are doing flatbread herbal style. It's pure herbs, yeah, crispy and nice and firm. Yes, and this is flatbread for a dip. Any form of dip you have. You know, the other day we made the guacamole, and we have a dip for it. You probably want to create something by yourself, and you know, this can you have ketchup. Here we go. You have mayonnaise and ginger sauce. Yes, this is very good for that one too. You know, so it's a whole other bunch of things happening inside Pat Batam Kitchen. As we say, it's easy, and food is easy around the place. You just gotta put it together. All right. So here we go. It look different, huh? Look real different. Yeah, but this is flatbread. Yeah, flatbread crispy. Yeah, because you know make it crispy and firm. You can crunchy, we say. Yes? Yes, and that's what we do inside the kitchen today. All right? So this one taking it to you from Pat Bottom Kitchen. Say first place you see, Pat Bottom Kitchen. It's like an Indian thing, Indian type of bread. Yes? That we create from herbs and all that. So, the Indian people would love this type of bread that we make. Spicy, flat bread with herbs and garlic and all that inside it. Chopped herbs and garlic, everything. I forgot the garlic to tell you about the garlic, but garlic inside, guys. Yes, and roasted garlic. We roast the garlic, don't put it raw. Roast it and then mix it with the ingredients, alright? So here we go. Flatbread, different style. Yes, that's what we do inside Pat Bottom Kitchen. Another amazing dish right here. Yes, can't go wrong with this. Yeah, flatbread. Pat Bottom style. Alright, so if you want to feel it, you got to touch it and touch that button. We'll be by your doorstep in a minute. Alright, so Pat Bottom Kitchen, taking to the people again. Alright, so I'll see you. Here we go. There we have it. Pat Bottom Kitchen. Talk to the people. See ya. Later. Bye for now. You take care of yourself. Be good. And God bless. Well, hello. We're back again inside the Pat Bottom Kitchen, and we're on the chopping board this morning, boys and girls. We're on the chopping board, and when we say we're on the chopping board, we're creating ingredients for steam fish. Yeah, we're gonna do steam fish this morning inside Pat Bottom Kitchen, and these are, I'm just highlighting the ingredients that in Jamaica we use for steam fish. Right? If you want to steam a fish, apart from the crackers, it's not here. Not on the table, but all the vegetables. Okay, so this is what Jamaican people would originally we put inside steam fish. Okay, these are the ingredients that we combine together and we get a massive steam fish. Okay, here we go. We got two type of pumpkins. Okay, and it goes like this. We have this one is the curry pumpkin, we call it. This one here, this pumpkin here, this pumpkin gonna mash out and give it the body. At the sauce, yeah? This one is the curry pumpkin, okay? So you're going to have a little color on it, okay? This pumpkin over here is the regular pumpkin, the younger pumpkin we call it, the young pumpkin, okay? Young pumpkin is the vegetable that we're going to eat with the fish, this one. We're going to heat this one. Naturally, you put it on the side, and we're going to eat this one, okay? This one is going to mash and break away when you cook it inside the pot. This one is going to be like how you make a stir fry. This one is the one that's going to be tossed over your steamed fish. Make it look crunchy and nice, yeah, fresh. Okay, and as we say, Pat Bottom Kitchen, take it to them. We have onion over here. Okay, we got onion, everything cut in one shape. Okay, so we have all the vegetable cut in one shape. That's going to be very interesting. We have the pumpkin, younger pumpkin. We got the curry pumpkin over here. Okay, we got over here, we got some scotch bonnet pepper. We have three types of pepper here. We got the purple bonnet. This one is crazy. Mad. Crazy pepper this one is. Okay. This one, colorful. Only give you a color. Not so hot. Yes, and the other you have the green one that gives you the pretty color. But this one is the season master. Okay. This pepper here is the season master. This you get some flavor from it too, but it's not as hot as this one. This one, not hot, none at all. Only have a little spice, a little flavor. Okay, now we have escallion. Steer, escallion right here. You notice, yes, escallion. Okay, then we're going to put in that. Alright, then we have carrots. Alright, we have a carrot. Julienne style cut in Julienne. Okay, okay, then we have over here, we have the okra. Simple, basic thing. We have the okra here. The okra gonna cut a different way because it's gonna mash. Okay, and we want the okra slime, we said. But the okra juice is what important on steamed fish. You pull it up, just run in. Okay. And in Jamaica we say it's good for the back. That's the okra right there. As we say inside Pat Bottom Kitchen, we have it, and we're gonna give it to you. Okay. This is the ingredients for steamed fish. Okay. Can't go with time. We have the, look over here. We have the fresh thyme. Fresh thyme here. We have fresh thyme. Remember we have some garlic down here. that I put inside here. We have some garlic in the bottom of that. Okay, over here we have some garlic. We have some fresh thyme, scallion, scotchy, 3 type of scotchy. Yeah, yellow onion, or onions we call it, which is a yellow onion. We have the pumpkin. Yes, we have the 2 type of pumpkin, curry pumpkin here. This one real good, give it a color. We have over here the veggie crunchy pumpkin. Okay, so that we go, there we go, Pat Bottom Kitchen. That's what we do inside Pat Bottom Kitchen whenever we're creating food. That you know, we don't have to cut up food on it. You gotta know to cut food. As I said already, the Jamaican food already prepare and make. So you know what happened. Some people are gonna put coconut juice. This one we're gonna put coconut juice inside. We put coconut juice inside. This steamed fish is gonna make with coconut juice and cook down. Okay. So that's how we have it. Steamed fish, curry pumpkin, and coconut juice. Alright? Steamed fish, curry pumpkin, and coconut juice. Pat Bottom Kitchen. And that's what we do. If you want to feel it, you just got to touch that button. Anything you want to feel, you just got to touch. You touch that button, you know Pat Bottom Kitchen will be by your doorstep in a minute. Okay? So here we go. Steamed fish. These are all the ingredients we use for steamed fish. Okay? Can't get better than that. Okay? You know, it's all tropical food, tropical vegetables. And here we go. Alright? As we say, Pat Bottom Kitchen. Love it. Okay? Really take care of yourself. And we'll talk to you soon. Alright? Inside Pat Bottom Kitchen. We'll see you soon. We'll chat to you. And we say, ice green and gold pot. Ice green and gold pot. Steamed fish. Okay? To the world. These are the ingredients that we use for steamed fish inside Pat Bottom Kitchen. And you know we have to have the Pat Bottom seasoning, which is a special secret over there. So as we go along, we'll let you know what's happening. Okay? Pat Bottom Kitchen. Take care of yourself. God bless. Be good. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful people. You know we inside the kitchen. We inside Pat Bottom Kitchen. And you know when you're inside Pat Bottom Kitchen, a lot of miracles happening. Okay? This is the place where all the great things happening. Okay, so we have in steamed fish, right? This is the vegetable, right? And fish at the bottom of that. Vegetables and all the fish at the bottom of that. So this is the okra here. This is the okra juice. Alright? So this is how we're going to steam it now. This is how we steam it at Pat Bottom Kitchen. After we do all that, we get the okra juice. Alright? So it look like slimy and thing. Look at it. That's the okra juice. Create the okra juice. This is okra, onion, scallion, okra, carrot, some pumpkin, everything mixed up like this, and some seasoning, salt and pepper, and Pat Bottom seasoning inside this one. Yes, so we take this and we throw all over this now. Yes, we're going to put this all over this, we're going to put this one. Okay, bring it closer to the magic world right here. This now we're going to put this here, this is what we have here, yes, but we're not going to overcook our food enough. So we're not going to break it down to get it all that texture. We're not going to cook it and break it down. So we blend it, then we add it. We add it to our thing what's going on here. Yes, we add it over. Yes. Add it over from the steam. So them say there's a steamed fish. Yes, that's how we steam fish in a Pat Bottom Kitchen. Okay? This is the okra juice where everybody are crave for. Okra juice. Alright? Everybody craving for the okra juice, and here we go. This is the okra juice. Not putting too much. Alright, there you go. And then we still have some okra now. Don't do that now. We have some warm water. What we're going to do, we're going to add some warm water inside that. We're going to add some warm water on that, okay? So we have the warm water over here. Yes, so we throw some warm water over that now. Okay? Throw some warm water over that. There you go. This is what's happening inside Pat Bottom Kitchen. Look at that. Want me to shake up? Everything is everything right here, so now. okra, everything coming together. This is a steamed fish with okra. Yeah, can't go wrong. Steamed fish and okra. Okay, can't go wrong right here. Okay. You probably wonder what's happening here. But this is pot bottom style steamed fish. Okay, okra juice. Okay, fish now steam them in that. It's going to be glory. Hallelujah. This right here is hallelujah right here. Okay? I can guarantee you. Don't have to worry about it. There you go. There you have it. Okay, so this now going to cook down. Give it 15 more minutes, and everything is everything. Everything gonna be everything in that one. Taste is great. Okay, like I said, that's how we do it inside pot bottom kitchen. We don't cook out the vegetable. We don't overcook the vegetable. To get that texture from the okra, just put 2 okra in a blender, blend up, and the rest you can always throw on top. You don't cook okra to get that texture where we always pray for. Yeah, whenever you do it like that, you get this texture immediate. Okay, as we say, we try to create. What we try to create? We try to create the food in a faster way, fast and efficient way. Yes, and this is what happened inside pot bottom kitchen. Okay, have no fear, pot bottom is here. I'll take it to them. Pot bottom kitchen. We say if you want to feel it, you gotta touch it, right? Touch that button, and you hear what happening inside pot bottom kitchen. All the greatness, all the happiness, all the goodness right here inside the kitchen. Okay, let you know what's going on. Yes, a little touch of the magic, and we're good. Yeah, a little touch of the magic, and we're good. So we'll let you know what's happening inside pot bottom kitchen. We'll talk to you later. Pot bottom kitchen, steamed fish and okra. Okay, and naturally, if you're gonna put the crackers now, you drop the crackers on top of this and you cover it down. Okay, it's a different level of food. All right, the steamed fish right here and okra. All right, pot bottom kitchen style. In a minute, in a jiffy, we got it. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Ciao, ciao. Bye for now. You take care of yourself. Be good. Peace out. Steam fish. Okay. Talk to you later. Pot bottom style. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Now you know you're in the place. You're inside pot bottom kitchen again, and whenever you're inside the pot bottom surrounding, whenever you're around the pot bottom folks, you know what happened here. You know we have something a bit different. Look Mexican with a Jamaican twist. Okay, so here it looked like a tortilla flour and whatever. It looked like a tortilla. It looked like avocado we have there. It is avocado, but it's a Jamaican style, Jamaican twist we have in this at pot bottom kitchen. And you know we have to present it to you and make you have a look at what's going on. This is naturally we create a flatbread. Okay, flatbread is our Caribbean base. I would say Caribbean base, like a roti base. Yeah. But what we do, we mix the dal mixture inside the batter of the crust right here. Yeah. We have a dal base inside the bottom of the crust. Okay. And what we do is naturally is an open face. We call it the open face platter with avocado. Very healthy food. Okay, it's avocado. So what we do, we have the avocado here. If you notice, we have this avocado slice and it got a dressing on top, yeah? Okay, we have a peanut. If you're allergic to peanut, forget about it, guys. This is a peanut, yeah? It's all natural. This one is from peanuts, a peanut, olive oil, a bit of balsamic vinaigrette to give it that, crispy kick, yes? And we have, we say olive oil, we say balsamic, we say onions, yes? And we have a scotch bonnet pepper here, yes? Scotch bonnet, yes? We have a little red and a little yellow that we put. We have red and yellow. If you notice, we have red and yellow scotch pepper. It's already chopped inside this, okay? And we have the lemon juice that we squeeze over this, all right? So that's what we do in Pat Button Kitchen today. We're just taking the food out there. We have all the food in them, but it's just to put it together and make you guys get it, yeah? This is an open face avocado sandwich. Open face avocado sandwich. Open face, okay? That means open. You're going to take it up, grab it up like that, and you're going to bite it. You're going to get your knife or you're going to cut it, all right? And you have a nice little salad combination, salad sandwich, okay? So you have a nice little topping on top, which is the avocado mixed with peanut, olive oil, peanuts, yes, crushed olive oil, onions and all that. And you have the pot bottom season will go all over it, yeah? Pot bottom twist. So there you go, here you have it. Pot bottom style. This is what we have for today. And every day we come with something. This is something that's brand new. We create this just now. Food is a world of creativity. So if you're into food, you twist, you turn, don't worry about it. You come up with something as nutritious and as appetizing as this. Yes? Pot bottom kitchen, you have the lime. So as we said, we have the lime. So you're gonna squeeze the lime over that. Whenever you're gonna eat, you're gonna just squeeze the lime over that. Yes? As I said, it's a Mexican twist. Yeah? It's a Mexican dish with a Jamaican twist. Originated from this side. Okay? It looks like a Mexican dish naturally. Yes, it is. Look like, right? With all the bottom of that, which is make different. The tortilla flour, it's something totally different from what the Mexicans make. Avocado, something totally different from what they make. Okay, so and we have all the garnishes and all that. Yeah, so it's a in Mexico Jamaica twist. All right, so here we go. If you like it, you're gonna touch that button. It's Pot Bottom Kitchen. We do all the crazy dishes, yes, and we take it to the people in every given time. Every moment we got to make sure you guys have a look at what's happening, yes? Yes, that's Pot Bottom Kitchen. Avocado, open face. Yes? Some of my fans out there don't like this. No meat at all. It's all strictly vegan, vegetarian, whatever it is. Yes. It's no meat, no cream, no dairy product. All straight across the board. Yes? Create some stuff, sit down and eat and you enjoy. Well, naturally, this is Pat Bottom lunch today. This is my lunch for the day. So that's what I do, and that's what we try to, take out to the younger folks, the younger generation. You always have food. Don't worry about it. Food is always there. Pat Bottom style. All right? So here you got it. One of these days, man, we're going to know how to cook all this food. But if you want to know what's going on, you got to click on Pat Bottom Kitchen. And Pat Bottom Kitchen, call him up. He may tell you what's going on. Yeah? Pat Bottom Kitchen make you know what's happening around here, because that's how it is. You can't give away your secret like that. You can't put it out there. People will, mess up your thing. So you got to, it's a personal invitation for everyone. Shout us out. Give us a shout and, we let you know what's happening inside the kitchen. All right? Yeah, Pat Bottom style. Let's do it, guys. Yes. Avocado looking good, eh? Yes, that is our pear. Looking good, looking nice. And this is the dish that we're putting out there today. Alright, so I'll talk to you soon. You have a great day. And I'm going to enjoy this meal right here, okay? Bye-bye for now. You got your protein, you got your calories, yeah? You got your starch, you got all your vitamins and all that inside, alright? So you'll be good, alright? You got to eat well. You got to build your immune system, guys. So you know what's going on around the world, yeah? You got to ensure that your immune system is up. All right? Put in your food. Is what you put in is what you get out. All right? So you got to eat your good food. All right? I'll talk to you soon. Be safe. Be good out there. And do what you got to do to make yourself happy. All right? Bye for now. Pat Bottom Kitchen. Talk to the people then. Good evening, Pat Bottom Kitchen fans. Yes, another day, another big day have passed by, and today inside the kitchen, we have something special again. Yeah, it look like roti, but it's a herb flatbread. This is flatbread only with herbs. Yes, this is what it looks like. Flatbread, herbs. Yes, all the green herbs we have around the garden, so we make flatbread with all that. So here we go. As we say, we do things from scratch inside Pat Bottom Kitchen, and whenever we decide to do something, we do it original. So we have some flatbread that we slice up, yes, and it's made from. I was going to give you the ingredients, yeah, to go about checking it out. Okay, so we got a little flour, cornmeal, oatmeal. Flour, cornmeal, oatmeal. Okay, that's a combination of wheat and grains we have there, okay? So here we go now. Then we have all herbs. Onion scallion, scallion, may have to have my beef mint inside. Beef thyme, whatever you want to call it, inside that thyme, Pat Bottom seasoning, yeah, one scotch bonnet pepper inside is chopped very fine. It's going to give you a spicy box, a spicy flavor, okay? So from there we've been doing flatbread, and we have it in all different form and size and looks and all that. So this is one of the things that we are doing today, and we are doing flatbread herbal style. It's pure herbs, yeah, crispy and nice and firm. Yes, and this is flatbread for a dip. Any form of dip you have. The other day we made the guacamole. We have a dip for it. If probably you want to create something by yourself, and this can you have ketchup. Here we go. You have mayonnaise and ginger sauce. Yes, this is very good for that one too. So it's a whole other bunch of things happening inside Pat Bottom Kitchen. As we say, it's easy, and food is easy around the place. You just gotta put it together. All right. So here we go. It look different, eh? Look real different. Yeah, but this is flatbread. Yeah, flatbread crispy. Yeah, because make it crispy and firm. It can crunchy, we say. Yes, yes, and that's what we do inside the kitchen today. All right. So this one taking it to you from Pat Bottom Kitchen. Say first place you see, Pat Bottom Kitchen. It's like an Indian thing, Indian type of bread, Yes, that we create from herbs and all that. So the Indian people love this type of bread that we make. Spicy flatbread with herbs. And garlic and all that inside it, chopped herbs and garlic, everything. I forgot the garlic to tell you about the garlic, but garlic inside, guys. Yes, and roasted garlic. We roast the garlic, don't put it raw. We roast it and then we mix it with the ingredients, alright? So here we go, flatbread, different style. Yes, that's what we do inside Pat Bottom Kitchen. Another amazing dish right here. Yes, can't go wrong with this. Yeah. Flatbread, Pat Bottom style. Alright, so if you want to feel it, you got to touch it and touch that button. We'll be by your doorstep in a minute. Alright, so Pat Bottom Kitchen, taking to the people again. Alright, so I'll see you. Here we go. There we have it. Pat Bottom Kitchen. Talk to the people. See ya later. Bye for now. You take care of yourself. Be good, and God bless. Good morning, Pat Bottom people. How you doing over there? What you guys been doing this morning? Hope you have a wonderful day today. Yes, today inside the kitchen we are featuring something different. Yes. Well, pear or avocado is one of the things. The season we are in, the season of avocado. So pear season. So we have everything, incorporate with the avocado. So what we're looking at this morning is we're looking at something rather. This is from an Indian tradition, Indian background, an Indian dish. This is a famous rice cake. Okay, it looked like a fritters. Yes, in Jamaica we say fritters, but it's a rice cake. Yeah, rice cake. It looks like this. You see? Yeah, it's made from rice, and it's like a fritters, right? So what we do in Pat Bottom Kitchen, every week we make a map. We take everything and we turn our hand make fashion. This morning, wake up, no flour. Okay, we have rice. We have leftovers, rice in the fridge. Okay, we incorporate rice. Okay, just like when you made the fritters, put it in the blender. Onions, scallion, peppers, all of that, yes. And you put a binding agent inside to keep it together. Because you know when you put rice like that, it tend to pop up. Yeah, yeah, it tend to pop up in the pot. So we put a binding agent to keep it together. And we sort out this. So we have this morning our binding agent inside this morning is cassava starch. Cassava starch or cassava flour. But naturally we use the starch in this one, alright? So we have some fritters, we have some avocado slice on the side, and here we have a nice fried egg in the middle. Okay? We have an over easy egg in the middle there to sort out the rest of the thing. So that's what happened. So as we said, we have rice cake this morning. Rice cake, you may wonder how you get it like this. Put it in the blender, guys, and you sort out your thing. Onion, scallion, just like when you make the regular thing, your regular peppers like when you make a fritters. Just the same, much difference. One thing you take a look at unique thing about it, to get it together after you blend it. Alright, so you're going to blend it with a little bit of water. Well, naturally we use coconut milk in this. Get the coconut milk and you blend with the coconut milk, alright? And then we make some fritters from that. Alright, you can add any other thing to this. You can add saltfish, you can add leftover chicken, whatever you have. You have a chicken breast, you can chop it up inside and you create a nice rice cake. Okay, and that's why you have it. Rice cake this morning, Pat Bottom Kitchen for breakfast. Rice cake, over easy egg, and some avocado slices on top. Okay, and there we go, we have breakfast this morning. Alright, whatever you guys do today, you have a great day. And as we say, rice cake is very good, it's very unique, it's different in our cuisine in Jamaica. But as we said, you just got to partake of the food you have. Alright, you got to enjoy it. It's fun, it's nice, it's great food. It's rice, but you're not eating it from a fork, you eat it with your hand like this. Okay, as we say, it's an Indian type of thing, Indian tradition. It's an Indian food. Okay, Indian then can tell you about this. If you say an Indian about the place, I could tell you about the rice cake. Okay, you can go research and you see what they use rice to do. Millions of dishes, thousands of dishes rice can prepare. As I would say in Jamaica, we're taking it to them again in our way and our unique way. Okay, so here we go. We have breakfast this morning. Pat Bottom Kitchen. If you want to feel it, you've got to touch it. Here we go. We have it all sorted out this morning. Alright, so we'll talk to you soon. You have a great day out there, guys. And be safe. Take care of yourself. Have fun. Okay? Pat Bottom Kitchen. Rice cake breakfast. Okay? And you have your cup of tea with this, or your cup of Milo, a cup of chocolate, and you're good to go for the day. Alright? Talk to you soon. Some energy you got for the day. Bye bye for now. Pat Bottom Kitchen. Good morning, Pat Bottom fans. How you doing out there? Good to hear from you. Good to know that you're still up and running and you're bouncing. Yeah. Today, if you notice, we have the breadfruit in front of us this morning, and we make a twist. This is a significant twist inside the Pat Bottom Kitchen this morning, and we make a twist, and we're going to present the dish to you. It's a beautiful dish. It's a tasty dish. It's a creative one, originally created from Pat Bottom Kitchen. Yes, and today we have some festival here. festival here. Well, that's just decoration, beautiful flowers, the beautiful, part of our nature in Jamaica. Yes, the beautiful outskirt, the flowers, the gardens and all that. And this is, we have here, we have the festival. And these festivals are made from breadfruit. Okay? And this is one of the things that, is unique. We create it in a unique fashion inside Pat Bottom Kitchen, and we decided to share it with you this morning. So we have the breadfruit. You can put it in all different forms, because 95% of it is starch, and the rest is water. Yes, so 95% of the breadfruit is starch, right? And the rest is naturally water. Yes. So today we decide to make some festival. Okay, as we see here, this is the breadfruit festival, and it's very unique to our breadfruit. Is very indigenous thing in Jamaica naturally. I think it's out of Africa, the breadfruit tree. Yes, but Jamaica is we grab it with our both arms, and we create a lot of different things. We have our roast breadfruit. We have the boiled breadfruit. We put breadfruit, ackee and saltfish, roast breadfruit. We have baked breadfruit. So today we decided to make some festival. Yes, old people said, turn your hand, make fashion. And this is what we have on board today. We have roast breadfruit. I'm going to let you know. It's roast breadfruit. And you go through the fermentation with the roast breadfruit after you roast it. And then you create the flour from it. And here we go. We make it festival. We turn it into a festival, and we have the regular festival, just like a roast breadfruit you would taste. And now we have some with a sweeter flavor. Yeah, it's all about savory. We have about a sweeter flavor, sweeter version on this side here. Yes, we have some round ones too, right? Looking like dumplings. Yes, but naturally this is from breadfruit, and this is, you don't have to go to the market. Go in the backyard, pick the breadfruit, roast it, and then you do your process. Alright? So as we say inside Pat Bottom Kitchen, just part of the stress relief, you have all this. Yes? And we have the breadfruit. Breadfruit is very unique in Jamaica. We use it in all different forms. You go on the streets and you see them selling the breadfruit. If you have your breadfruit and you don't have the time, you want it in a different fashion, so to speak, or a different style, this is one of the ways you can, present your breadfruit to your table. Yes? So this is Breadfruit Festival. And say you hear it at Pat Bottom Kitchen the first time. You heard about Breadfruit Festival at Pat Bottom Kitchen. Jerk chicken, jerk pork, curry goat, curry chicken, yeah, oxtail, whatever, stew peas, there you go, people love them canned pork stew peas, canned pork, long stew peas, bad, mad, so at Pat Bottom Kitchen, we have leave the rice alone, please, can we leave the rice alone for some time, and make we use up what we have. We have 4 seasons. Well, 4 seasons we have Jamaica. Me call it 2. Or probably me say 1. Me say 1 season, tropical. That's how I have it. 1 season, tropical, rain and sun. Okay, so that's how we have it in Jamaica. Alright? And it's easy. It's not hard. It's so easy to prepare. Sometimes I almost surprise myself. Some of the dishes that I really create. This is one of them that is so unique and it's so delicious. And I want you to come at Pat Bottom Kitchen one of these days and check us out, see what's going on. So this is roast breadfruit festival. Yeah, very unique, very delicious, very nice. And say you hear it at Pat Bottom Kitchen. The first place you hear it is inside Pat Bottom Kitchen. Yes, I'm gonna have a sip. I'm gonna have a sip out of my tea here. It look like chocolate. Don't look like chocolate. It's not chocolate. But pear seed. It's made from pear seed, guys. The pear seed, you get it, grate it, you dry it, and you see what we have here. You don't have to worry about nothing. Wow, amazing. The flavor it gives is amazing. Yes, so here we go. Today features, yes, festival, breadfruit festival. And you know, say you first here at Pat Bottom Kitchen. Yes, you have your dip, you know, for snacks, here we go. You have your, remember the other day I feature one dip there, the guacamole, the Mexican dip. If you don't want to use tortilla flour or whatever for your dip, you have roast, you have a festival here. You can dip in your guacamole and you have a snack. You have a cup of juice, fresh juice, something, you know. Because you know we inside, and from we inside we have to create stuff. Market closed, supermarket closed. What we are going to do in supermarket, lock up. See then lock up them supermarket. Then lock up them supermarket and we can't get no food to eat. Jamaican people, check, take heed. Then lock up them supermarket, we can't get no food to eat. See ya? Have to create, guys. We have everything a bush. Everything. Yes? So get creative, you know, and do some things for ourselves. And then in the long run, it's all about your health. Yes? Health first. All about your health. And what you put in is what you get out. Alright? So guys, as we say, put some good food in, you will get out good food. Look at that. Beautiful. That is breadfruit festival. So roast breadfruit, yes. Do your fermentation, grate him down, do what you have to do. And if you want to know more, check out Pat Bottom Kitchen. We'll give you all the details. We'll tell you what's going on inside the place. Alright, say you hear it at Pat Bottom Kitchen. First time, first place. Yes, and no mistake. Be good, be safe out there. Take care of yourself. You know, do what you got to do to make sure your family is safe, and your health is the most important thing in life. Alright, so you know what happened? You be good, be safe. Pat Bottom Kitchen. If you like it, if you want to feel it, you just got to touch it. And we'll be at your doorstep in a minute. Touch that bell. You know what happened. We have you all sorted. Alright, so here we go. Pat Bottom. Check it out. Bye for now. Ciao. Pat Bottom Kitchen. Pat Bottom people, here we go now. Now today inside the Pat Bottom Kitchen we're creating something different. Well-known Jamaican dish. So we're making turned cornmeal. Yes, turned cornmeal and vegetables, coconut milk and all that. So here we go. We got the pumpkin, all your vegetables then. Pumpkin. We have a little tomato inside it, sweet peppers, onions, scallions. Yes, it works. Alright, and the coconut milk boiled down. Alright, and here we have the cornmeal. So what we're going to do, we're going to add the cornmeal inside this coconut milk here now, and we're turning it into cornmeal. Yes? Well, in Italian you say you're making polenta. Okay? In Italy, this is called, in Italy they say a polenta. Okay, you're making a polenta dish. Okay? In Jamaica we say you make turned cornmeal basi. Okay? So here we go. We're going to put the cornmeal inside this. Toss the cornmeal inside that. Yes. We're going to stir it around. Okay, this is all the vegetables and everything. So it's a bit soft. See, it looks soft? Yes. It's a polenta style of making it. So as soon as you get a little bit cold and get to a different temperature, you know you're going to get hard. That's typical cornmeal, right? Cornmeal get hard and they will take on the temperature of it, yes? And that's what happened inside Pat Bottom Kitchen today. We're making turned cornmeal. Yes. Making some turned cornmeal. And this is what's going on inside the kitchen. As we said, inside the cornmeal, we have vegetables. I think I have some green bean inside this, some green bean. Yes, you have green bean. You have peppers. You have a scotch bonnet pepper too. You have the good old pot seasoning I put into this. Yeah. Okay. And you know the reason why they call it turned cornmeal? You have to continue to turn it for it to cook. Yes. As the heat take it. As you continue to turn it, that's it can cook. As the heat can take it, yeah? And that's why it's known as the famous turned cornmeal. I can tell you. Yeah. So that's enough water, substance. Add a little more water inside. Yeah. And it already have the flavor and everything. The coconut milk already boiled down to the flavor where you want. Yes. And this coconut milk, this is dry coconut, okay? So this is not the run-up style. Well, for a fast meal, this is dry coconut inside this one, okay? So that's what we do. Inside Pat Bottom Kitchen. You know, Pat Bottom Kitchen always on top of the business, yes? Little salt. You know, with polenta, the best thing to go with polenta is a little what? You have to put a little olive oil. Yeah, polenta is an Italian dish, you know. We say tonka meal. We say tonka meal, but really it's an Italian dish. So you have your olive oil. Put a little olive oil inside that. Yeah, and today we have blended olive oil. We're going to drop inside, okay? Little olive oil to make it magical. Alright, so here we go. That's a tablespoon olive oil. Just a tablespoon to keep it, yeah, keep it solid and keep it going. Yeah, it's like a polenta now. Here you go. There you go. Yeah. So inside Pat Bottom Kitchen, that's what we're doing today. Yep. Polenta. The olive oil doesn't make much difference, but it will taste different. Yeah. The olive oil keep it loose and keep it fresh and bouncing. Yeah, that's what the olive oil does. So with all these different dishes, and you know we're going to serve this with a piece of fried fish. See fried fish on the side, and that's what we're going to serve it with, okay? That's what happened inside Pat Bottom Kitchen today. Hope you guys have fun, and I'll tell you, we'll talk to you as soon as we dish this food out. We'll talk to you and make you see what's going on, show you what's happening, alright? So, Pat Bottom Kitchen, polenta, yes, corn, meal, and in Jamaica we say tonka meal, okay? Yeah, tonka meal, and fried fish, fried snapper fish on the side, and the tonka meal. Yep, can't get easier and better than this, and smarter than this. This is what happened inside Pat Bottom Kitchen. Okay, Pat Bottom Kitchen people, tell me what you think. As we say, some coming having your pumpkin, your carrot, yeah, your green peppers, red peppers. Yes, you know, to cook them, because you know, so when you cook the peppers too much, the red and green bell peppers they become bitter, right? So you don't want to be a main thing in your dish whenever you put it on the fire. You don't want to feed raw. I always say that. Yeah, so this is what happened inside Pat Bottom Kitchen. Polenta and snapper fish. Okay, rice snapper fish and polenta. Okay, so whatever you guys doing out there, you take care of yourself, you be good, be safe, and I tell you, Pat Bottom Kitchen will tell you what's going on in the next few. Okay, Okay, so bye for now, ciao. Pat Batam Kitchen. Pat Batam Kitchen people, talk to me. That is shop. Original Jamaican turned corn meal. Pat Batam Kitchen. Turned corn. Pat Batam Kitchen. Pat Batam.
Big up Pat Batam Kitchen.
Be safe.